Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything about things, politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Who recruited alleged Nyesom Wike's personal lawyer to represent the People's Democratic Party in an ongoing suit in Rivers State? Because the national legal advisor of the PDP said he did not send him there to represent the party. Who sent him? That is a question that we're going to look into, because that lawyer and the national legal advisor of the PDP are now at daggers drawn on who has the right to speak for PDP in the court in Rivers State High Court and in Rivers State and the Federal High Court in Rivers State. So who sent this lawyer, alleged to be a personal lawyer of Nyesom Wike? How do we know that he is a personal lawyer of Nyesom Wike? We are going to get into that by those who know. They were the ones that told us so, that he was a personal lawyer, or he is a personal lawyer of Nyesom Wike. Then let us find out how this is playing out, because from all indication, it appears PDP is turning a new leaf. As I said in a previous video, that it appears PDP is beginning to recognize embattled Governor Simi Fubara as their governor. We're going to look into this matter right away. That is what we have to discuss. Who sent this lawyer to represent PDP when the legal advisor, national legal advisor, a member of the National Working Committee of PDP, say he never sent him there? And before we go further on this, if you are new to my channel and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, we have to go to find out how we identify this person as alleged personal lawyer of Nyesom Wike, by going through memory lane or making a recall of a recent event. Now, in May this year, coalition of opposition lawmakers in the House of Representatives, known as the G60, accused the acting national chairman of the PDP, Omar Damagun, and National Working Committee of the party of secretly filing court processes to reinstate the 27 Rivers State lawmakers who defected from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress. Now, in that revelation by the G60, it was stated by Ikenga Ugochinyere, who is the leader of this G60 lawmakers in House of Representatives. And it was believed, according to them, that the national legal advisor of the PDP was involved in a process to reinstate the defected lawmakers by going to court to swear an affidavit that they have not defected, that they didn't defect, that they are still members of the PDP. In other words, to ensure that they do not lose their seat. So the G60 believed that the national legal advisor of the PDP was part of the part of the plot to save these lawmakers who defected from PDP to APC. And the G60 had alleged that the National Legal Advisor, Ajibade, allegedly used what Ikenga Ogochinyere, who, as I said earlier on, is the leader of the G60, called personal lawyer, that he used, this Ajibade, National Legal Advisor, used the personal lawyer of Nyesom Wike, the former governor of Rivers State, and now Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Dr. Joshua Musa, a senior advocate of Nigeria, he alleged that he is the personal lawyer of Nyesom Wike, that he was the one that Ajibade used to file a counter affidavit to the suit to declare the seat of the 27 lawmakers vacant. And he presented a written address opposing the prayers to declare the seats vacant, insisting that the sacked APC lawmakers are still members of the People's Democratic Party and should be left alone to continue in their plans to frustrate the Rivers State government. Now, that was what revealed that this Joshua Musa was, or is a personal lawyer of, is allegedly a personal lawyer of Nyesom Wike. It was the G60 House of Representative members, opposition members in the House of Representatives. They were the ones that revealed to Nigerians and the rest of the world that Joshua Musa is a personal lawyer of Nyesom Wike. Now, fast forward to where we are now. Now, the PDP National Legal Advisor is now at daggers drawn. You know, initially, it was believed by G60 that Ajibade and Joshua Musa, they work together. But now it is becoming clear that National Legal Advisor is not in support of what they are doing. From at least for now, for what we are seeing now. Now, the PDP National Legal Advisor is at daggers drawn with Wike's alleged personal lawyer, Dr. Joshua Musa, senior advocate of Nigeria, over representation of the party in the court in Rivers State. As a result, the Federal High Court, sitting in Port Harcourt, has fixed August 21 to deliver its judgment on who is actually the true representative of PDP for the matter. So the judge has fixed August 21st for judgment on the authentic legal representation for the People's Democratic Party in the suit filed by the Boot Party seeking to remove Martin Amehule and 24 others from the State House of Assembly. Now, the Boot Party filed the suit challenging the eligibility of Amehule and 24 others to still be members of the Rivers State House of Assembly after defecting from the People's Democratic Party to the APC. Now, when the matter came up for hearing on Wednesday, July 17, the National Legal Advisor of PDP, Ramaldeen Ajibade, senior advocate of Nigeria, sought to resolve the issue of legal representation of the party and asked the court to stop Joshua Musa, senior advocate of Nigeria, to stop his appearance for the PDP. Ajibade further prayed the court to discontinue all processes filed by Musa on behalf of the PDP. All processes filed by Musa on behalf of the PDP, Ajibade say the court must do away with it, must discontinue with them. Now, Ajibade argued that he remained the sole representative of the party in the suit and referred the court to an affidavit of joinder presented by Musa, especially paragraph 2, where the deponent, Kingsley Chukwu, affirmed that he had the mandate of the National Party to join the matter. The PDP National Legal Advisor argued that the 2 judgments from a federal high court are presented by Musa, that present by the high court as presented by Musa, does not come from the National Legal Advisor. That's the PDP National Legal Advisor argued that the 2 judgments from a federal high court as presented by Musa never derived or have the support of the National Legal Advisor of the PDP, saying that the National Legal Advisor has the sole right to oversee the legal affairs of the party. So Musa or any other person has no right to go to any court to represent the PDP without the consent of Ajibade, the National Legal Advisor. He said that the judgments only touch on Articles 42 of the party constitution and urged the court not to recognize the appearance of Musa in the matter. He asked the court not to recognize the appearance of Musa in the matter. In fact, in all the matter that concerned PDP, which had been appearing, that the court should not recognize him. Now, while all this was going on, of course, Musa has a right to say his own side of the story. In his reply on point of law, Musa urged the court to discountenance the submission of Ajibade, relying on his argument in paragraph 2 of his affidavit in support of the joinder. He argued that the exhibits presented by the National Legal Advisor of PDP were not signed or were unsigned documents and were valueless, describing them as concocted, as he urged the court not to recognize the National Legal Advisor of PDP to represent the party in the suit. Can you beat that? Musa is telling the court that the court should not recognize Ajibade, authentic National Legal Advisor of the PDP, as a representative of PDP in the suit. Now this, of course, led to at the end of the day, the judge in his ruling, that's the presiding judge, in his ruling, Justice E.O. Obele, adjourned the matter till the 21st of August 2024 to rule on the rightful person to represent the PDP in the suit. So everybody have to wait until August 21st to know who is actually representing PDP in this suit, and then who sent him. Who sent him there? If the National Legal Advisor, who is in charge of all legal matters in PDP by virtue of the constitution of the PDP, say he didn't send the person, he didn't send any lawyer, and the lawyer he found there is claiming that even Ajibade has no right to defend the party in court. It makes an interesting find to know who really is behind this Joshua Musa, who is behind him, that gave him the audacity to say that the National Legal Advisor of PDP shouldn't be the rightful representative or representation for a matter that concerns the People's Democratic Party.